Question 8. So we're solving for the unknown. In this case, the unknown is y. Okay, so let's first simplify both the left-hand side and the right-hand side as much as we can. So we have, so we have these brackets right here. And we also have some brackets on the right-hand side. So these ones right here. So let's simplify that as much as we can first. So we have the 4y minus 14. So I will first bring inside so the 3. So it goes negative 3y minus 3y. And then the negative and positive will turn into a negative, and that will be 6. So that's the first thing that I can do. Now, the 14 minus 6 I can simplify as well. So this will give me 8 minus 3y. So that simplifies that whole square bracket. And I will come back to the right-hand side in a second, because I want to simplify the left-hand side entirely. So now I have this 4y minus. Now, you may recall, so there's always kind of a 1 in front here. So we can bring this into the square brackets to get rid of it. And we'll have 4y, so minus 8. So the negative and negative now will cancel off. And I'll have 3y. And that nicely gets rid of the square brackets. And this leaves us, with this 4y, and we also have a 3y. So we can collect these because they're like terms. So that will give me 7y minus 8. And that's as much as we can simplify the left-hand side. So let's go back to the right-hand side. So we'll go back to the top here. So we have minus y. So I'll take the 4 and bring it inside here. So it is the subtraction, so I'll bring it in together. So we have, that negative y, now it's going to be minus 4y, and then minus 8. So now, taking these two terms, it's going to give me negative 5y minus 8. And that's as far as I can simplify that. I can't really do anything else. So let me just carry it down. Okay. So now I will group my like terms together. And I'll try to keep my unknown on my left-hand side. So I'll bring this one over here. And then I'll take my like terms to numbers, and bring this one over on the other side. So what we will have then, so we have 7y, bring over the negative 5y, which is going to be positive 5y. Then we have negative 8, and bring over the other negative 8, so it's going to be positive. Now I can just add it up, so we'll get 0, and then 12y. This is actually a good example, because what happens here is On the right hand side we have a 0, and on the left hand side we have a 12y. Often students will look at this and they'll say the answer is that there's no solution, or there's many solutions. But be careful here, because your 0 is not in front of the y. We have a 12 in front of the y, so we can divide both sides by 12, and you will get y is equal to 0 over 12, which is just 0. And that is your answer. Okay, and that's all for this example. Okay, so that completes that.